Installed sensor automatically tracks every shot on any club and keeps score. Pairs with compatible Garmin golf watches to automatically track every stroke, including locations, distances and club type. Collects data from each shot and club so you can analyze strokes gained and other stats used by professional golfers. Stats for each club with a sensor installed show up on your compatible Garmin golf watch after pulling the club from the bag. See how far you typically hit each club, view stats for accuracy to the fairway or green. Top reviews from the United States. Great for figuring out distances on new set of clubs. Got fitted for a new set of clubs and wanted to dial in my distances. Using a Garmin S62 watch allowed me to do this by manually telling it which club I used after every shot. It wasn't super cumbersome, but I decided to add the CT10 sensors to automate the process. It works almost flawlessly. Every now and then it misses a club or doesn't register a putt, but overall it's extremely accurate.